Hello and welcome to the video, Connecting with the Code on GitHub. This is the last video in this course, and in this video, I'm going to make sure that your journey doesn't stop here and that you continue to connect with the people that are building the code, and I'll show you where they're building it and how you can get access to the latest code from the GitHub repo, and also show you where to submit a bug, report something that's going wrong, or just see what's going on with the development of Azure Functions. The Azure team does keep most or all of their code in the GitHub repositories, and GitHub/Azure/Azure Functions is where you can find their code for Azure Functions. There are a few other repositories which are related. So you can see the web jobs, for instance, or the Python or Core Tools worker repositories. And also in the README you get, of course, the typical links to filing an issue, some support options there that you can see, and documentation. If you switch over to the issues, you can see things that are currently opened or closed, things that have been recently fixed, reported. This is anything from the feature work that's taking place to typos in documentation. This can be a great place for you to see what's coming, see if the items that you're noticing, if you do see a bug, is it something that's particular to you, or is something that the development team is already aware of and working on a fix for. So in this section we learned about some tips and some concepts that will really help you to develop Azure functions that are secure and resilient and effective. I also demonstrated how to debug locally with a local Git repo and the Azure Function Core tools. And then we looked at the GitHub repo, showed you where that repo is, and demonstrated how you can report or review open issues in the Azure Functions code.